god. Da, 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 da. Okay guys, got a new laptop. This hurt my bank and my soul. I got heartburn in my soul, but I'm excited. I wouldn't be able to do this without you guys. And this is just to get better content for you guys. So, got a new unboxing. We got a new laptop to unbox with you guys. I'm nervous. I'm stressed. This one really hurt the soul. Okay, anyways, we're gonna open it. I'm scared. I bought a case, but it's not coming until tomorrow. So, okay, I got the 16-inch. She's so pretty. Okay. Look, Braxton came with me to get it. Okay, let's open it. Oh no. Oh no. I'm stressed. Bro, that was supposed to be satisfying. Look. Okay, we're gonna open it. Do you hear that sound? That's the sound of my bank account declining. Ooh, she's so pretty. Look. Oh my god, I'm so excited. This is it. She's cute. What else is in the box? Like, we're just gonna sit her right there. Okay. Got wires. Oh, I was like, did it not come with one? I would have been like, excuse you. It got a block, a charger. This is my quick little unboxing. Okay, let's not do that. Does it have? Oh yeah, they're all USB-C. And it has an HDMI plug. Sick beans. Wow. Okay. Well, this is the laptop. I just wanted to show you guys and say thank you, and I love you guys. I'm gonna go edit later. Okay.